Hey everyone! Did you know that the charm collecting community is massive? I mean, people from all around the world are obsessed with collecting these tiny little treasures. Have you ever found yourself struggling to keep your charm collection organized? Trust me, you're not alone. So today, we're diving into a super fun project, organizing my charm collection with a DIY aesthetic twist. It's not just about tidying up, it's about getting creative and making it look adorable at the same time. I can't wait to show you how easy it is to turn chaos into something beautiful. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, let's talk about the common struggles we face when organizing our charms. First off, clutter is a huge issue. I mean, charms can easily get scattered everywhere, and before you know it, you're digging through piles just to find that one special piece. Then there's the problem of lost pieces. You know, that heart-shaped charm you swore you put somewhere safe? Yeah, it's probably lost in the abyss of unorganized chaos. And let's not forget about space. If you're anything like me, your charm collection might be growing faster than you can find a place to store it. So, how do we tackle these challenges while still keeping it cute and creative? Exploration/development. Now, let's explore some methods and materials to organize these beauties. First up, I've got some clear jars. They're great because you can see all your charms at a glance, and they add a lovely aesthetic to your display. I'll be decorating these jars with some cute washi tape and labels to give them that DIY charm. Next, I've picked up some colorful trays. Not only do they help keep things separated, but they also add a pop of color to your space. I'll be using these to categorize my charms by theme or color. It's all about making it visually appealing. Oh, and I can't forget about using a bulletin board. This is a fun way to pin some of my favorite charms and keep them front and center. Plus, it gives me a chance to get crafty with some ribbons and decorative pins. Climax/key moment. Now it's time for the big reveal. After all that organizing, here's my final charm collection. Just look at how beautifully everything is arranged. I love how the clear jars let me see all my charms while still keeping them safe. The colorful trays add such a fun vibe, and my bulletin board is like a mini gallery of my favorites. It's amazing to see the transformation from chaos to order. No more digging through piles, just a beautifully organized collection that makes me so happy every time I look at it. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, we started with a messy collection, tackled the clutter, and got creative with some DIY organizing methods. Now, I have a charm collection that not only looks great but is also super functional. Having everything organized like this really makes a difference in how I enjoy my collection. I'd love to hear from you. How do you organize your charm collection? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other DIY videos for more creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!